Mix just once and say goodbye to blurry vision. You will recover your vision naturally and quickly. You certainly can't imagine the benefits of combining these ingredients. Also, the best part is that these are products we frequently use in our daily lives. This mixture is the best way to take care of our vision naturally. Stay with me until the end, and you'll thank me a lot. To start, for this powerful remedy, let's cut them into small pieces, whole, without removing the peel. Lemon is a food that contains high levels of vitamin C, a vital antioxidant for the eyes that benefits visual health and reduces the risk of cataracts and age-related eye degeneration. If there are people in your family who have vision problems, this video came at the right time for you. Lemon juice helps reduce inflammation, swelling, and bruises. This citrus fruit has a high concentration of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that prevents oxidative damage to cells, helps in collagen formation in the region, and improves skin elasticity. To take advantage of one of its greatest benefits, you can follow this treatment at home several times a week to enhance the results. We cut the lemons and set them aside in a container. We'll also use 3 cloves of garlic that we'll cut into small pieces. Garlic helps reduce the risk of eye degeneration and other eye diseases. Garlic is considered one of the best foods for controlling hypertension, and these conditions are closely linked to eye damage and vision loss. Once the garlic is completely chopped, we place the ingredients in a glass container with a lid and add the marinated lemon and garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds and antioxidants that reduce cholesterol synthesis. In case of vision loss symptoms, it is recommended to consult an ophthalmologist for proper diagnosis and treatment. We'll also add honey until the mixture is completely covered. After adding the honey, we'll use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is excellent for preventing blindness. The use of our natural cosmetics around the eyes helps achieve a brighter and more vibrant look. In addition, its long-lasting antioxidant power helps protect the skin against damage, lack of sleep, or signs of tiredness. The tips we provide here are complementary to your health. Never forget to consult your trusted doctor. We hope you try this recipe because it really works and the results are amazing. It is a very effective remedy for blurry vision. You will recover your vision in a more natural and quick way. Take a spoonful of this remedy every morning for a month, and you'll be surprised by the results. If this tip was useful for you, it may also be useful for your friends and family. That's it for today. See you in the next video.